All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's talk about budget-oriented scan tools. I can sit here and talk all day about these kind of big boys, you know, the X tool, Launch, Snap-on, Bosch. They're great tools, but they're out of a lot of people's budget. So let's talk a budget scan tool. And this one we're talking about today is the Launch C-Reader Professional 919E. This is the newest model. Now it is Android based. It has bidirectional controls. You can do oil resets, brakes, all that kind of stuff a young technician in a shop might need to do. It can be a good option for a do-it-yourselfer or a young technician that's needing to do those kind of things. Because you figure if you're a young technician, you're at a dealership, you're at a shop, oil resets are a common thing nowadays. Brakes, got to have a scan tool to do them. You know, going up and getting the shop tool that may not be available, may not be charged, etc., etc. This is a good option. Now it is a touch screen, just like the big boy. It's built on the same software, so you get a lot of the same features of one of the bigger tools, just without some of the bells and whistles and additional features. Like you don't get, you know, the ability to add ADIS, battery tester, you know, video scope, that kind of stuff. There's no option on this tool to add it. For a more budget-oriented tool, it is excellent. You can graph data. You know, you got a decent sized screen on this to graph data. You can record data. This is a great option to allow you to get into diagnostics or do all the basic stuff we got to do in a shop nowadays. You know, plug in a scan tool just to reset an oil light. Fun. You know, it's amazing how often I use a tool just for basic stuff like that. Brake jobs. Oh, I got to retract the electronic parking brake. And oh, there's no option to do it manually as far as, you know, flipping switches and stuff. It's got all the goodies just like the big boy. You're just tethered and a much smaller screen and not as much features. You know, the cool stuff like an oscilloscope, you're not hooking to this, but it'll get the job done. There will be a contest as well from the supplier that sent this to me to give you an additional 1-year subscription. So there'll be details in the comments on that. So be sure to read those if you're interested in this tool. Get you an extra year subscription. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.